Hello everyone, it's Diego Saldivar. I am a neurogames developer. Today I want to talk to you about Muse 2, the device I'm currently wearing, and I'm very happy to be able to announce that I'm going to be moving into working mostly with Muse for three very important reasons. I believe that in order to make the game development industry flourish, we need to have devices that are easy to use, easy to wear, and also cheap enough and easy to access for developers, of course. And as of today, that's exactly what the Muse 2 does. And at a price of $250 per device, it is very accessible to the public in general. And coincidentally, today it's a little bit cheaper. It's not always that way, but it's still very, very accessible. And when it comes to accessibility for developers, the Muse does offer APIs for Android, Catalyst, Windows, iOS, Mac, and more importantly for me, Unity. I've been trying to make it run for the past few months, but it's been not quite reliable. But after a few weeks of troubleshooting with Muse's tech department, they were able to find out what was going wrong, and now it just works. This fix literally happened yesterday, so I haven't had the time to put gameplay elements into the Unity example. The interesting thing is that the Muse does give me out of the box heart rate, which is yet another data point that I can use for video game design. If you want to try it for yourself, you just have to go to choosemuse.com/pages/developers, fill in the application to be able to access a forum with all the necessary data and of course the API links, and you can just try it out for yourself. So overall, I'm literally just starting with the Muse. So far, I have had very good impressions from the apps that it does have. So my plan in the upcoming months is to create a template that I can distribute, just like I have done for other platforms. And it's good that it might take me a little bit of a while. As of right now, the Muse SDK has a license that's a little bit restrictive when it comes to distribution of the code, which is why I am talking with the legal department to give me a license that I could use for this template so that anyone can just download this template and make their own neurogames without having to necessarily sign up with Interaxon or the Muse SDK to be able to access it, or otherwise just have them help me distribute it from their own platform. We're going to be seeing what happens with that in the upcoming months. But for next year, I am very excited to say that it might be much more likely that neurogames start snowballing and becoming much more accessible, and more people might be able to make their own neurogames thanks to a very cheap and accessible brain-computer interface. And I'm going to do my best to create a template that makes it plug and play, easy for anyone to just start working with the example without having to learn about neurology or brain-computer interfaces or things like that. And we'll see what the future holds for it. For now, thank you very much, and I will be seeing you next year. Goodbye.